Managing materials in operations management involves a series of interconnected processes that ensure the efficient flow of materials throughout the production cycle. These processes, which include planning, sourcing, purchasing, storing, handling, and monitoring materials, are essential for maintaining smooth operations. Each step plays a significant role in minimizing costs, reducing waste, and ensuring that the right materials are available when needed. The first step, planning, sets the foundation for effective materials management by forecasting demand and determining the types and quantities of materials required. For example, McDonald's uses advanced demand forecasting techniques to estimate the quantity of ingredients like beef, potatoes, and packaging materials it will need based on historical sales data and seasonal trends. By accurately predicting demand, McDonald's ensures that it can meet customer needs while avoiding overstocking, which helps reduce waste and maintain fresh inventory. Step 2. Sourcing is the process of identifying and selecting suppliers who can meet the company's material needs. A well-known example is Boeing, which carefully selects suppliers for its aircraft components. Boeing evaluates suppliers based on quality, reliability, and their ability to deliver parts on time. By forming long-term relationships with trusted suppliers, Boeing ensures that its supply chain remains resilient and that high-quality materials are consistently available for aircraft production. Step 3. Purchasing follows the sourcing process, involving the negotiation and placement of orders for the required materials. Costco, for instance, uses its centralized purchasing system to negotiate bulk orders with suppliers, securing lower prices for the products sold in its stores. This purchasing strategy helps Costco maintain its reputation for offering high-quality goods at competitive prices, but benefiting from economies of scale. Step 4. Once materials are ordered, receiving them is a critical step in ensuring that the goods delivered meet quality and quantity specifications. Toyota has a strict receiving process for the parts it uses in vehicle assembly. Incoming parts are carefully inspected for defects or deviations from standards. By catching issues at this stage, Toyota minimizes the risk of defective parts entering the production line, helping to uphold the company's commitment to producing reliable, high-quality vehicles. Step 5. Storing the materials safely is essential to prevent damage or obsolescence. An example of efficient storage management is seen at Ikea, where materials and finished products are stored in well-organized, climate-controlled warehouses. By implementing advanced warehousing practices, Ikea ensures that its products are protected from damage and can be easily retrieved, which helps keep the company's supply chain running smoothly. Step 6. Inventory management is another key component of materials management, involving the tracking of stock levels and the implementation of systems to manage reordering. H&M exemplifies efficient inventory management with its just-in-time system, which ensures that materials arrive shortly before they are needed for garment production. This approach allows H&M to quickly respond to changing fashion trends while minimizing excess inventory, reducing waste, and cutting storage costs. Step 7. Handling materials efficiently within the production facility is crucial for maintaining productivity. Why Tesla, for example, uses automated guided vehicles, AGVs, to transport materials like batteries and other components between different stations in its gigafactories. By using automated handling equipment, Tesla reduces the risk of damage to materials, speeds up production processes, and enhances safety on the factory floor. Step 8. Coordinating materials with production schedules is vital to ensure that production runs smoothly. At Unilever, sophisticated production planning software is used to align material availability with manufacturing schedules, ensuring that ingredients and packaging are available just in time for production runs. This reduces bottlenecks and helps Unilever meet tight production deadlines, improving overall efficiency. Step 9. Finally, the materials management process includes monitoring and reviewing material usage and supplier performance. Samsung, for example, regularly reviews its supply chain performance, tracking key metrics like inventory turnover and supplier reliability. By continuously evaluating its processes, Samsung identifies areas for improvement and makes adjustments to optimize efficiency and cost effectiveness. In conclusion, managing materials in operations management is a multifaceted process that ensures the efficient flow of materials from suppliers to production lines. Each step, from planning and sourcing to handling and monitoring, contributes to minimizing costs and maximizing operational efficiency. Companies like McDonald's, Boeing, and Ikea showcase how effective materials management can enhance competitiveness, improve customer satisfaction, and support long-term success. By continuously refining their materials management processes, businesses can respond more effectively to market demands and drive operational excellence.